So starting your own brand or going wild with dropshipping business in 2025, there are tons of options there. Fantastic tools, you will find them and they are all very good. But let's be more realistic here. How do you know which one truly stand out, which is the most incredible option? And now we are eliminating the racket and are contrasting Doba with its most important competitors like Spocket, Gendrop, DSource and AutoDS. Which one of them actually helps you to win? Let's analyze it and I will give you a final verdict at the end of the video. Alright, so let's start with Doba. It really is the most comfortable option. It's like a Walmart of dropshipping, reliable, a ton of merchandise, over 1 million, and supplier relations are not bad. No steady AliExpress shipping times here, but real confirmed sellers. It allows you to browse over 1 million items, that new trends which are popular at the time of the year. It has an excellent user interface, integration are good, and its supplier network is one of the most powerful ones in the business. Also, on a very positive note, Doba has invested in 2025 upgrades. They have introduced intelligent capabilities such as product recommendation using AI, improved integration with other websites such as Amazon and Shopify, and an improved order management system that reduces the chance of error and accelerates the delivery process. And I do not mean this as a criticism. Consistency has been the greatest assets of Doba. Alright, now time for some cool comparison, because as I said earlier, there are tons of options and we are human. We always want the best of the best. So let's start with Spocket first. Spocket is Amazon Prime. In case of Doba is Walmart. What is their major selling point? US and Europe suppliers, fast delivery, 25 days, not 3 weeks. They also send branded invoices, and this is a small thing but is a huge regarding branding. But the downside of Spocket, less numbers of products than Doba and slightly more costly. But when you are tired of all the complaints of your customers on the slow deliveries, then you require Spocket to act as a game changer. Okay, the next one is Gendrop. And really, Gendrop is the Elon Musk of dropshipping, scalable today. They do not just give you supplies, they give you a tools to dominate. Single packaging, not standard AliExpress tape or anymore. Private labeling, your logo, your brand. US fulfillment center means faster delivery plus trust increase. Gendrop has also created a subscription tier that allows you to get the help of a personal success manager and receive product recommendations that are exclusive to you. Now to the hustlers who already have 10 stores simultaneously, here is DSource and AutoDS. DSource has everything that a high seller may look for, such as superior product mapping, variant control, supplier optimization, and bulk ordering. Bulk autofluff, cheap products, perfect to test 100 products per week. And then AutoDS, which is an automation tool that allows you to do product research, monitor prices, fulfillment orders automatically. Therefore, as all this platform improve, what does Doba actually fit in 2025? Actually, the thing is that there is no platform that will make you rich. Doba is the stable one, Spocket is the faster one, Gendrop is the pro level one, and DSource AutoDS as the volume machine, but you select the winner. Truth of the matter is Doba remains one of the best places to get good supplies and have things done. Doba provides you with a secure, scalable platform in case you are not in need of much customization and require a rapid launch and a steady growth. Assuming that you are interested in developing a brand, attracting repeat buyers, and getting out of generic packaging as fast as possible, Gendrop or Spocket will mostly likely assist you. AutoDS or DSource will suit you perfectly in case you sell data-driven products, have a number of stores, import dozens of items daily, and operate on volume. So just to wrap up on Doba's competitors, which are also very cool and impressive tools, Gendrop is transforming the game, especially to those who are actually serious in creating an actual brand, not another dropshipping store. Their packaging is so unique that your product worth $20 will feel like a $100 luxury product. We send the same product using Gendrop and Doba to gauge the customer responses. The Gendrop packages receive 40% more positive reviews with the term premium quality. However, such luxury has a price. Their basic plan is priced at $79 per month as compared to Doba, which only. And this is something that most of the reviewers will not mention to you, and this is hidden costs. Although DSource and AutoDS might appear more affordable initially, their pre-order pricing quickly becomes expensive when you scale. It turns out that it costs us $47 to process 1,000 orders using AutoDS, whereas Doba has a flat rate plan that costs us only $0. And I will not even mention the supplier quality control, as we had to send back 12% of the product sources by AutoDS as opposed to only 3% of the supplier we used on Doba. The question is, what is your business strategy when you are testing tens of products per week? There is no better AliExpress integration than DSource. Constructing a luxury brand, the personal options of Gendrop are incomparable. Looking to have smart tools with reliable, consistent performance, the AI upgrades that Doba will have in 2025 may be something of a shock. Ultimately, the tools become your only first start, but again, you need super calculative and you got to choose the right option. We have been in a store that have killed it on and what may consider outdated platform and fail on the most ideal of platform. It is just a matter of the user's of the tools. However, in case you need a platform that scales with your business, that can adjust to market conditions and provide you with actual data-driven insights, then you should take a serious look at the new AI capabilities of Doba. And so the question is, what happens when you still the process of choosing the right tools and the most friendly tool? Therefore, if you're watching this video and thinking which of them will make you a millionaire, then I must tell you the reality, none of them will. But if you plan out smartly and go with the safest option, and I would say Doba is great reliable option here. So yeah, I will stick with that. Not that it's just one thing well, but because it ties all together. Intelligence, product search, wearable supply network, real-time automation, multi-channel support, AI-powered insights, and a future view that evolves with your business. In 2025, you will require more than a single tool. Doba AI is such a partner. Since the largest dropshipping is in the hands of the smart people now, Doba AI is the most suitable and the smartest decision that can be made in 2025. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions and queries related to Doba and regarding this video, then don't forget to comment down below. And also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button.